us today and watching this. Today we'll be making the Filipino tupig. So tupig is it's mixed with coconut and glutinous rice. As you can see, we have the ingredients here. Now, one problem is that we couldn't find any fresh coconut or frozen packed coconuts in the Asian market. So we have made or purchased a replacement, which is the tin cans of the coconut meat with coconut milk and then the banana leaves. So today I have my mum joining us. The reason why she's cooking this is because I've been asking for it for 2 weeks now. So here's my mom who just walked away. We eventually found some at the shops quickly and then just cut it up. And now we're grating it like so. Okay, so that's all been grated. As you can see, we're just putting in a container because this will also be used to top up with the tupig once it's all done and cooked. But I'm just going to tidy up this area because while I was grating the coconut, it's gone everywhere and I hate prepping or cooking in a dirty bench. So this was my mum's idea to start a cooking show or channel that she wanted to start. However, she doesn't want to feature in it. So excuse her in the background telling me what to do because I have no idea how to do this. All right, Mum. Strain and then cut the coconut meat. I love this one. Oh. Mmm. All right, so coconut, and then we'll just cut it long ways because you want these to hold onto each other when they're being cooked or kneaded when we put the rice flour or glutinous rice. My finger jokes. So that's 500 grams of this flour. My mom's giving me an annoyed look because I just made a mess. Oopsie. Oh, she's a clean freak. That's what. Okay, and then
the coconut milk.
The coconut milk.
Get a
spatula. I'm being told. This one?
No, that's too big.
The
one on top.
It's too big. Okay, half. And then just fold.
Yep.
And what texture are we looking for? Not looking for a Play-Doh texture.
Half of that.
It's got to be a bit runny, but not too runny. So with that 1 can of coconut milk, that, as you can see, didn't make justice. We'll gradually add
more.
But once
Maybe
you
half.
put a lot, you can't go back from it. Oh yeah. So this consistency that we're looking for, where it's not too runny, but it's also not too dry, is when it slowly runs like this. That is good. So 1 cup of this freshly grated
Enough, enough.
coconut. It's basically coconut after coconut after coconut.
And put the whole coconut. And put
All of it?
Yeah. 1 cup of sugar.
So we just added the canned coconut meat. I don't know. It's really windy outside, so according to your taste buds and how sweet you want to, just add as much sugar as you want. Taste test. Alright, so we got our banana leaves ready. How we're gonna do this is just slab it on like so. This is how we do it. I don't know how they do this. Ooh, okay, I think I did it. 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 All right, we're just gonna place that there. Hopefully it doesn't run outside of the banana leaves. Otherwise, oopsie daisy. So that's pretty much it. And then I'll show you guys once they're all cooked. You don't even need any oil. It's just dry. So this is what it looks like. And so what I'm gonna do for you is just present it. Just gonna sprinkle the rest of the coconut that's freshly grated. It's honestly the same ingredients. And then more sugar. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just gonna do a taste test, see how that goes. Mmm. Yum. I am happy with that. That's all for today, guys. That's how you make tupig. Anyway, our version of it. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you want me and my mom to cook any other Filipino dish, we are more than gladly to make it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Peace out. Take care. Look after yourself. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Mwah.